Hello. So today we will start with the RF system design. So my course is RF system design. Course code is 21EC3016. Topic is my introduction. So I am giving the introduction of this course, and this is our session 1 of course objective 1. So these are the aim of the session is to familiarize students with the basic concept of RF system design. Session is designed for theoretical and practical aspect. We need to go for theoretical and practical aspect, and in practical session we will go for testing and measurement of RF circuits. So what the outcome will get, that is we need to know about the student will going to know about what upper frequency and conventional circuit is there any inappropriate thing or is it is similar, characteristic of a high frequency behavior of the component that is required, new circuit theory. So for low frequency we will go for one circuit theory, for a high frequency we will go for the again other circuit theory. So circuit theory is same, but we need to describe about some of the features. And this course is itself a RF system design, that means the system we design for radio frequency. Now the important of RF micro circuit design is we will start from the introduction, that is James Maxwell postulate the coupling of the electric and magnetic fields linkage through space gives rise to wave propagation. Heinrich Hertz proved radiation and reception of electromagnetic energy through the air. The discovery of this will rapidly expand the communication from radio, TV transmission or cellular phones global positioning system. The design and development of suitable high frequency circuits for wireless communication application is not straightforward because it have the high frequency integrity. But if you are coming to low frequency, the conventional Kirchhoff's law, the conventional Kirchhoff's voltage law, Kirchhoff's current law, that are applicable. But if you are coming to the high frequency, this have some changes. We will discuss one by one. Now if you are thinking about a cellular phone system, so we need to design a means receiver or transmitter. So in that way, so these are the steps. So first step is the analog voice signal is converted into digital form. So we are thinking about the voice signal that is now converted to the digital form. Okay. So after digital form, it is compressed. We are giving the compress like zip file. We are compressing this. After that, we are going for coding and making it digital to analog. After digital to analog, we are going for low frequency signal or a high frequency carrier. So every time we will give like this, a carrier frequency and a signal and the output. So this side is the output for the transmitter. A receiver also same thing. If we will do, then it is known as your super heterodyne. The combined signal is subsequently amplified through a power amplifier and then routed to the antenna. So then after this we are going for a power amplifier, then from the power amplifier we will send to the antenna figure. So this is all about your steps for cellular phones. Okay. Next is we are coming to one trans receiver. So if we are coming to RF system, so there is a trans receiver. You can see this side is the digital circuitry. That means we can use the softwares, we can use our laptops, hardwares like that. But after that we are coming to mixed signal circuit and analog signal circuit. So there are three steps. One is digital circuitry, one is mixed signal circuit, one is analog signal circuit. So here this part, this above upper part is for transmission and the lower part is for the receiver. So now we can explain one by one. So when digital circuit, from that we are getting the digital signals or we are generating the analog to digital signal. Then this digital, that means from this we are going for the modulation, everything will complete here. After this we are coming to digital to analog circuit, because when we are thinking about high frequency, then we think about the digital to analog. So when we are coming to digital to analog, then we are mixing some local oscillator frequency. So why we are mixing? To enhance the frequency. After that we are going for the power amplifier. So why it needs power amplifier? Because it is by the antenna, it is must be thrown by the antenna, that means it is radiated by the antenna. So for that sufficient power we require. After that we can think, after communication, if we want to receive some signal, then this switch is now coming to this one. This is known as your duplexer system, or some are telling diplexer system also. So here it is coming to the power amplifier same. So received power amplifier, because it is low, very low, so we are using here low noise amplifier also. Low noise amplifier, we are using a low noise amplifier. After this low noise we are sending to the low pass filter, because we want the low frequency signal. After low pass filter it is given to the ADC. ADC means analog to digital conversion, because all other things are in digital. So this is one preliminary building blocks diagrams of a RF transceiver system. So it is one RF system what we discussed. So now what are the applications? The applications we are using in wireless communication, medical imaging, industrial control, military application. So wireless communication means we are using in cell phones, radios and radar systems. Medical imaging means we are going for medical such as a MRI machine or the ultrasound system. Industrial control means we are controlling the robots and manufacturing equipments. And military system means we are going for radar, navigation and weapon systems. So these things, and these are the systems for wireless, these are medical and industrial, and this is the military application. So these figures I have taken from the Google. So here the copyright of this figure is for the Google only. Okay. So next is we are coming to self-assessment questions. So these are the self-assessment questions, and next we are coming to some terminal questions. So these are the terminal questions. Then I am coming to reference books. So these are the reference book. From that I am using the second reference book for this preparing for this session. And this site, this is a NPTEL site, this is our Coursera site we will follow. So this is all about your this session 1, and thank you. I am Dr. Arjun Muduli. My mail ID is arjuna@kluniversity.edu.in.